G'day VRR Australia, welcome to RAF 22 of mine. Today we have the Avalanches wallflower and TV screen. This is the deluxe edition, nice and thick and sealed and good to go. So whoever wins, I look forward to a picture of it all unfolded. If you can send that through, that would be great. I've got a few new players today, which is great to see. Thanks for jumping on board. In total we have 10 people playing. So let's get this underway. We have the empty box. We have the chips. For anyone who hasn't played before, I'm sure you all have, but the last number out of the padded box is the winner and everyone else gets nothing. Okay, so let's wrap. First out is number 20, which is Connor. Connor, you have one left. 21 is Joel. You also have one left. Number 7 is Stephen. Number 19 is Mitchell. Where are you, Mitchell? Oh, you've got plenty of spots. You'll be calling your name a lot. Number 3 is Connor. Connor, that's you, done and dusted, buddy. Thanks for playing. Sorry you were out so quickly, but better luck next time. Number 10 is Benjamin. You've got lots of spots too, Ben. Thanks for that. 24 is Mitchell. 22 is Benjamin. 15 is Mitchell. It's a battle between Mitchell and Benjamin at the moment. 29 is Benjamin. 18 is Duncan. Duncan, you've got one left, buddy. Number 4 is Stephen. Stephen, you are down to your last spot. Number 5 is Benjamin. Number 13, unlucky for Ronnie. $17 is Benjamin. Benjamin, you're down to your last spot. Good luck. 16 is Stephen. Stephen, that's you done, mate. Thanks very much for playing. Better luck in the future. 25 is Benjamin. That's you done. Thanks heaps for playing, Benjamin. Sorry you didn't go in your favour with all those spots, but just never know what's going to happen. 27 is David. David, that's your first. You still have one spot left. Number 30 is Lachlan. First time we've heard your name too, Lachlan. 28 is Mitchell. 26 is Duncan. That's you done, Duncan. Thanks for playing, mate. Number 6 is Mitchell. Mitchell, you're down to your last spot. Number 8 is Adrian. Adrian, that was your one and only. You made it pretty far with that one spot. Sorry, mate. Better luck next time. Number 2 is Lachlan. Lachlan, you are down to your last spot. Just have a little check of the chips. 6 spots left. And players are Lachlan, Mitchell, David, Ronnie and Joel. Legs 11 is Ronnie. Ronnie, you're down to your last. You all have one apiece now. Good luck to you all. 23. And that's where we lose Joel, Ratman, Sensi, Wells. Thanks for playing, Joel. Better luck next time. Number 14 is Lachlan. Lachlan, that's you done, mate. Thanks for playing. Mitchell, David, and Ronnie remain. Third last out, and no prizes to 1, which is usually Ronnie, but no, it's David this time. Thanks very much for playing, David. Sorry, no prizes. Hopefully see you again in another RAF. So, Mitchell versus Ronnie. It's a fight to the death. Apologies and no prizes to 12, which is Ronnie Mac. No joy this time, Ronnie Mac, but that leaves one spot left in the box, which is number 9. Number 9 is Mitchell. Congratulations, Mitchell. That little piece of beauty is all yours. I don't know if I've got your details. I think you may have one of me before. Send me your details anyway, and I'm going to the post office tomorrow, so as long as you get back to me this evening, I can get that in the post tomorrow. Thanks everyone for playing. Hopefully see you again in the next RAF, which might be tomorrow as well. Okay, thanks guys.